I am Colleen Hall, and this Next Generation Learning project is about blended learning. Blended learning for the next generation is a strategy of learning that integrates technology and digital media with traditional classroom activities. This is great for customizing learning experiences, provides flexibility for the learner. In-person and online elements work together to create a well-rounded learning experience. Issues of blended learning, tools and resources may be unreliable and internet accessibility may not be available to students. This is also difficult for educators to manage an online setting. Yes, I agree that these may be issues and that they are present, but they can be addressed by districts providing buildings with internet access, which we are seeing more and more. Providing students with the online content that is pre-chosen with pre-approved websites and content chosen by the teacher. Trends of blended learning are videos. Teachers can record their lessons or students can record presentations to turn in. On-the-go learning, students can access classroom learning tools from Chromebooks, tablets, or their phones. Some blended learning teaching strategies are the flipped classroom. Students are introduced to content at home and then practice working through it at school. Project-based learning allows for independence and collaboration with peers. Students can create a working document of Google Slides, for example, to share with those peers. Flex blended learning, teachers teach the content within the walls of the classroom, then students complete an online homework assignment. Flexible playlists. These are, I've seen more and more. My daughter actually works on a flexible playlist every week, so on Monday, she'll receive a list of duties, activities, or assignments that incorporate online assessments and research. Web-based learning tools. Kahoot is a big one. This is an online quiz-type game that teachers can create for any subject or content area to check for comprehension. Typing Club is a web-based typing practice for students. Dreambox, online math assignments that check for comprehension. And Kami. Kami is an app that allows students to type directly onto uploaded worksheets. Blended learning allows for learning flexibility with the use of technology and digital media, mixed with teacher-led instruction. This allows for customization of learning experiences and differentiation of learning. Blended learning allows for students to learn how to navigate online learning tools. Students have the capability of creating working documents to share with collaboration partners or groups of peers. And apps allow for students to type on worksheets and submit to teachers, which lessens the use of paper and copier ink. Here are the references I used for these slides: K-12 Academics, Panopto, StratX, and TeachThought. All gave me great information about blended learning. Again, this is Colleen Hall. Thank you.